Where does, what has Pentaho sort of done throughout that sort of process? You know, if you could be a little bit more specific in terms of how it affects your business, you know, why Pentaho versus some of the other tooling or rolling your own?
Okay, well, the company did use another proprietary system, and the cost is huge. Maintaining it is huge. So part of the initiatives is we want to reduce cost. We want something that was more flexible. They also built their own ETL as part of one of the first passes at some of this, but they found again they have to maintain a larger number of developers to maintain it. It's still not as flexible, doesn't do everything you want to. Pentaho provides a lot more flexibility. Um, One of the big things I like about Pentaho is it's a little easier to understand than trying to write all this code, what makes it harder to maintain. It has lots of data connectors already built in, so you don't have to worry about how do you access a text file or a database here. And that's one of the first things that I got involved with Pentaho over 5 years ago, was trying to find something that made it easier to build transformation without having to recode everything. And the fact that it has all these built-in steps already. And, so that's one of the things. It allows you to do that. It allows, it speeds up the development process so that you can concentrate on the real problem, not all the syntax. You know, are you putting the right semicolon in the right place, or various things like that. It allows a lot easier development. So that's one of the advantages that we bring with Pentaho. With the, like I said, the ELT version, I mean, one of the things that we're looking at doing is, okay, so you'll bring it in from other systems, load it up into Hadoop clusters and everything, and then start using Spark or other things like that, or the machine learning to actually send it out and process it so that it's ready for the final consumption. So it allows that, and one of the nice things is, okay, say if you started off with a non Hadoop type thing, so you bring it in, you transform it and load it to a standard database, well now you're scaling up. It's easy to make that change because it's just somewhat maybe reordering steps, add a new step that changes it, so you're not having to rewrite your whole code. So that transformation gets a little easier. It's more agile to change with the demands. So that's one of the other features that I really like is, I've done, like I said, done coding of my own system, and when those things change and you got to spend a lot of time making sure every little piece is reorganized in the right way, and so it's a lot of iterative things, and
So you appreciate the freedom and the flexibility.
freedom and the flexibility,
Yes.
the extensibility too. Other tools are a lot more rigid that I've experienced, where, okay, oh, they don't have a step in there. I can create my own Java step. I can create my own plugin. I can create JavaScript. There's a lot of different ways that I can extend the tool to do what I need it to do. And like I said, they have so many steps to do stuff that most of the time you can find what you need within the predefined steps. But occasionally you have to go beyond that.